Good day, RosterElf community! Louise Marshall here from RosterElf. In this quick video, we will walk through how to edit past draft shifts so your roster stays accurate, how to access the roster view. Click Roster in the top menu to open the roster view, where all shifts are displayed. Use the date picker to jump back to the day you need, making navigation quick and easy. How to select a draft shift. Hover over the unpublished shift you need and click View Shifts to open its details window. Confirm the shift label reads Draft, so you know it has not been published yet. How to edit and publish the shift. Update any fields required, such as start time or role, then click Mark as Published to finalize the shift. Remember that employees will not receive notifications about changes to past shifts, so this is a safe, tidy-up step. Thanks for watching. Our support team is always ready to help, so reach out anytime. Happy rostering!